Hey friends, if you wish to fix hardlock.sys blue screen of death error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, since it is related to a certain file, our first approach will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this works well and good, if it doesn't, then the next process is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on open system restore. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, click on finish and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Now these are the only two solutions that you can try. Other than this, please do not try any other solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.